A client called my office and they asked me, will I get more money if I have a personal injury lawyer? And the answer to that question is sometimes. There are cases, and in those cases, we tend to decline those cases. There are cases where the lawyer cannot offer that much value. Typically, those are small cases where you've had some type of rear end collision and there's not much damage to your car, and you're not really, you might have a sore neck for a day or two or a week. You might even see a chiropractor 1 or 2 times. In those cases, the insurance companies actually, if you send them those records and you send them the bills and you send them the police report showing that you can prove that the other party was liable, that's the first step. The second step is medical causation. You can show, hey, I had a sore neck and I had a chiropractic visit. The third is damages. What records, what bills did I incur? Did I miss any work? Was there damage to my car? Those type of things. In cases like that, we often tell clients how to resolve their case on their own because the value that we're going to add to the case is not very much. We're going to take our standard fee. Usually those cases settle for 33 1/3%. So if you're going to be offered, $2,000 or let's say $1,000 for easy math, and the lawyers are already going to take $333, you're going to pay your chiropractor $250. Well, you can see there's not much money left for you. So in those cases, if that happens, we often tell people, then yeah, you ought to just take this case alone. Now, if you have a significant injury, you've been put in the hospital, you have broken bones, you have some type of disc injury or joint injury, you have any type of residual pain after 6 to 8 weeks, you had a severe crash or a moderate crash even, any kind of case like that, you're always going to get more money with a lawyer. There is no way the insurance company is going to pay you fairly. And if your case is worth more than, let's say, $5,000, you probably ought to get a lawyer. The reason being is that the insurance companies, they're not out there to make money by paying off claims, even fair claims. So they'll immediately treat your claim like it's fraud. And there's Bagel. They'll immediately treat your claims like fraud. And if they do that, then they're going to lowball you. They're going to come out and they're going to offer you $5,000 on a case that could be worth $1 million. So if you have a case that has any type of injuries that are significant and you are injured, don't take these cases by yourself. Don't deal with the insurance companies. Don't give them recorded statements. They're going to do everything they can in their power to ruin your case. So you need to be very clear and quick about hiring a lawyer. Time does matter. It's not about the statute of limitations necessarily as it is about things you're doing that could be hurting your case. So if you have questions, call our office at Law Offices of J. Crisp. Thanks.